Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students of class 1. Welcome to Montessori Complex High School. This is English Active Unit 3 How to Brush Your Teeth video number 4 copy work. I hope you have completed all work of Unit 2. First of all, make a beautiful title page of Unit 3 How to Brush Your Teeth like this. और जैसे आपकी मर्जी है आप जिस तरह बनाना चाहें. And in next page, first mention the date and write the Unit 3 on the red line and draw margin in center for words meaning. Write words meaning heading with the blue color. Skip one line and then write first word, that is clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Clean means saaf. And write its meaning, that is free from dirt. Free from dirt. Write second word, that is twice. Skip one line. Write second word, that is twice. T-W-I-C-E, twice. Twice means दो दफ़ा. दो चीज़ें जो होती हैं दो दफ़ा, twice. And write its meaning in front of the word, that is 2 times. 2 times. Then skip one line again and write third word, that is sparkle. Sparkle means chamakna. S-P-A-R-K-L-E, sparkle. Write its meaning, to shine. T-O-2-S-H-I-N-E, shine, to shine. Okay? But remember, in words meaning, all words should be written in small letters. Okay, now turn your page, or in next page, write down the date here. Write Unit 3 in the red line. Write heading for word sentences with blue color. And draw the margin for word sentences like this. Skip one line and write first word, that is brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Skip one line again and write second word, that is mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Skip one line and write third word, that is water. W-A-T-E-R, water. So you have to make sentences of these words with the help of your parents. This is your homework. But children, don't forget, when you make sentences, first letter should be capital and put the full stop at the end of sentence. Every sentence, okay? Now turn your page. Mention the date again. Write Unit 3 heading. In first line, write question answers heading with blue color. And write question number 1. How many times do you brush your teeth? As shown in this picture with blue color. And write its answer in next line with pencil. Answer is, I brush my teeth twice a day. But remember, in question answers, first letter should be capital Don't forget to give one finger gap between two words. Put the question mark at the end of every question. And put the full stop at the end of every sentence या every answer. Okay? Now skip one line and write question number 2, that is why it is important to brush your teeth. And the answer is I brush my teeth to keep them clean and free from germs. Again skip one line sorry, and write question number 3, that is when do you brush your teeth. When do you brush your teeth. अच्छा यहाँ पे how many times था. How many times का मतलब कितनी दफ़ा आप ब्रश करते हैं. तो आपने बताया twice a day. ओके लेकिन यहाँ पे है when do you brush your teeth. आप कब ब्रश करते हैं, वो टाइम पूछ रहे हैं, किस किस टाइम करते हैं. I brush my teeth. Answer is I brush my teeth in the morning and at night. Okay. After complete all question answers, turn your page. Write down the date again. Exercise page number 31. And do exercise in your copy. From page 31. English from your book, English Active Book, as shown in this picture. After finish this exercise, your copy work of Unit 3 will be completed. ये आपको सेम ऐसे करनी है. ओके अच्छा बच्चों, एक चीज़ मुझे आप लोगों से कहनी है कि जैसा काम आपको करवाया जा रहा है कॉपी में, प्लीज़ बिल्कुल वैसे ही उसको कीजिए कॉपी में. क्योंकि बहुत से बच्चों की जब कॉपी चेकिंग के लिए आई तो मैंने ये चीज़ नोट करी कि सब चिल्ड्रन जो हैं उन्होंने बहुत ही अपने हिसाब से काम किया हुआ था, बिल्कुल गलत काम किया हुआ था. और जिस तरह बताया गया उस तरह नहीं था. कहीं कैपिटल लेटर नहीं था, कहीं क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं था, कहीं फुल स्टॉप नहीं था, डेट नहीं डली हुई थी, और जो वर्ड्स मीनिंग है वो भी बहुत गलत तरीके से की हुई थी, जो बताया उस तरह नहीं की हुई थी. और कोई जो है वन लाइन स्किप भी नहीं की हुई थी, ना सेंटेंसेस में ना वर्ड्स मीनिंग में. तो प्लीज़ आप लोगों को जैसे बताया जा रहा है वैसे ही काम कीजिए प्लीज़. ओके बट बिफोर द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो I want to tell you some important points, that is, children, use color pencils for making title pages of every unit. Don't use markers because it makes your page dirty. Do plastic cover in your English Active Book and copy. Don't make your copy and book dirty. Don't forget to mention date on every page. Do your work neatly with pencil or blue color. Okay. So, your copy work of Unit 3 has been completed. So, wait for the next video. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.